Good morning, my dear students. As we have already discussed about input and output devices, so in this video we will learn about the storage devices. So what do you mean by storage? Storage allow you to save your work for the future use. A hardware component that is used to store data and instruction for the future use is called a storage device. So my dear student, if we are going to save any work, it means we are storing that work, and that is called storage. And the component which we use to store the data, that is called storage device. And we are having different storage devices like hard disk, CD-ROM, DVD, Blu-ray. So we will discuss one by one. So what is hard disk? It is a main storage device in the computer that can store large amount of data. So it can store large amount of data, and how much data it store inside it depends upon its capacity. Okay, next one, it is also known as hard drive. So this is another name of the hard disk. Second, CD-ROM disk. So what is the full form of CD-ROM? Compact disk read only memory, and it is also used to store the data, and it is round in shape, means it is circular in shape. Next one is DVD disc. It stands for digital video disc. It is again similar to the CD-ROM, but it has a more storage capacity than the CD-ROM. Next one is Blu-ray disc. It is a new DVD format. It is also similar to CD-ROM and DVD, but it stores more data than CD and DVDs. Last one is pen drive. It is another storage device which is used to store data and information. So my dear student, you have already seen this pen drive in your home. You simply plug into the computer and you can transfer data from computer to the pen drive and from pen drive to the computer. And also this is a portable data storage device. Portable means we can carry from one place to the another place, that is a portable. Here they have given one thing, difference between disk and this disk. So my dear student, this is disk and with K. So the disk that end with K, this term is used for hard disk and other magnetic media. And next disk is DISC that end with the alphabet C. So this disk is used to describe CD and DVD. This is the difference between both disks. Next topic that we are going to discuss, that is a software. So what is a software? Software is a set of instructions that tell the computer hardware what to do and how to perform a particular job. So my dear students, when we press any key from the computer, it means we are giving instruction to the computer and we are telling to the computer that what to do. So this software is a set of instructions that tells the computer hardware what to do and how to do. And one thing more, we can't touch and feel the software like we can touch the hardware. Okay. So dear student, software is mainly of two types. One is application software and second one is system software. So what is application software? A software that perform a specific task for the user, means the software that we used for some specific task or special purposes, those software is known as application software. For example, if you want to make any drawing, you will make use of the paint, and if you want to do calculation, you cannot do those calculations into the paint. For those calculations, you have to use the different software. So when we use different softwares for the different purposes, those software are known as application software. So first one here given is Microsoft Word. If you want to write anything, then you can make use of this Microsoft Word. Microsoft Excel and MS Excel. If you want to perform any calculations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, and if we want to add data in the form of rows and columns, you can make use of Microsoft Excel. And last one is MS Paint. If you want to draw and paint anything, you can make use of this software Paint. So these all are the application software which are used for the different purposes. So dear student, this is for this video. Next we will continue into the next video. Thank you.